Welcome back everybody. In this video, we are going to create a Flappy Bird part 2. We are going to start by downloading Live GDX, which is open source gaming library, which I'll truly recommend it if you are going to be hand coding games. It is actually course platform as well. So you can build not only Android apps, but apps which work on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS as well. So it is really good system to run, but we are still just using Java and we are very much creating a native Android game here. It just gives us a lot of features that we will otherwise need to code ourselves on the Android system. So if you haven't already, go to libgdx.com and then click get started and then set up a project. Then next step and then click download button and then download the GDX setup.jar file. You can save anywhere you want. It is just a small little Java application. Fortunately, you already got Java installed because we have got Android Studio up and running. So you should just able to tap the GDX setup.jar file and then you will get this. So this allows you to set up your app. So let's call it Flappy Bird and then package. Remember it's something like com dot and then your name or your company name and then the app name. So Flappy Bird and game class can be whatever you like. It is just name of the class. I'll call it Flappy Bird and then you just choose where you want to it to appear and then to get the Android SDK path, we can actually get that from Android Studio. So load it up and click top right side, 3 dot and SDK manager and then right there at the top, it is your Android SDK location. So that will be very similar to this. If you are on Mac, it will obviously be something different if you are on Windows or Linux operating system. So just copy that and then paste it back in. And we only want to develop for Android here. So to simplify things, I'm going to get rid of the other three. There's a lot of support online for other platforms if you want to start developing for those as well. But we'll stick with Android for now, and all the other options I just keep to default and click generate. Now you'll likely get this message. You have a more recent version of Android build tools than the recommended version. I'll definitely go for yes there, and similarly yes for the using the more recent Android API version. That will just mean that it is easier to run in Android Studio without doing any tricky alternation on the app. So this will then generate the app for you, and there we go. That's done. Build was successful. That's sounding promising. So now we just go back to Android Studio and open that in the user way. So over to my location, data, Android, Flappy Bird, and then let's open it, Flappy Bird. Okay, well that be fine. And this video, we are just going to go as far as having a quick look at what is actually included and what we get. We run the default project and then we'll actually start building Flappy Bird in the next video. So here you go. Let's have a look and see what file we have got. So straight away, you might notice some difference here. There is no res folder that we are used. We do pretty much everything in Java, and here is our Flappy Bird class, which look like little bit scary compared to everything that we are going to use. We have still got our create method, which as you can imagine runs when the app is run, and now we have a render method as well, which is what is will mostly be coding in the render method essentially gets run again and again and again. So you can think of it as an ongoing loop, and that's where we'll put our code to animate our sprites, to do our collision detection and everything like that. To see where the game actually works. So here I have already run my emulator and run this app by clicking play icon. So we have got a few new classes there as well. We have got a speed batch. You can maybe imagine that that's essentially a batch of speed that's then processed to the screen. And we have got a texture, which are basically images that we work with and think of them as sprites as well. So like the Flappy bot will be our first texture or sprite that we are going to work with. So all this does is creates a new sprite batch called a batch, and then it creates a new texture on image which is from the BatLogic JPEG file. Then it creates a background color which is red, and then it draw the image at position 0, 0, and then in the process of drawing the batches. So let's look. So the output is simply that first up notice by default that we are looked into landscape mode, and we have got this red background and the BatLogic logo there as well. So that's it. We have now set up GDX and we have got the code that we need to get our app working, and we are going to start in the next video by changing background and displaying and animating our little Flappy bot sprite. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you're not yet, let me know if you have any question, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care, peace, and happy coding.